Many people dream about living in a home powered entirely by the sun. The idea of producing your own electricity and becoming independent from the grid is extremely appealing. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we're taking a closer look at off-grid solar homes and what it actually takes to power a house using solar energy alone. The first thing many homeowners misunderstand is how solar energy systems really work. Solar panels generate electricity when sunlight hits photovoltaic cells. These cells convert sunlight directly into electrical energy. However, solar panels only produce electricity when the sun is shining. That means energy must be stored for nighttime use. This is where battery systems become critical. Modern off-grid homes rely on large battery banks that store excess energy produced during the day. At night or during cloudy weather, the home runs on stored electricity. The size of the battery system often determines how reliable an off-grid home will be. A small system might power basic lighting and appliances for a few hours, while larger systems can support an entire household for multiple days. But energy storage is one of the most expensive components of an off-grid system. Lithium battery systems, which are now commonly used in residential solar installations, can cost thousands of dollars depending on capacity. Another important factor is energy demand. Many people underestimate how much electricity a typical home uses. Air conditioning, electric water heaters, ovens, and clothes dryers consume large amounts of power. To operate off-grid successfully, homeowners often redesign their energy use around efficiency. Energy-efficient appliances, LED, lighting, insulated homes dramatically reduce the power needed to operate a house. Passive solar design can also play a major role. Homes positioned to take advantage of natural sunlight can reduce heating needs during winter months. Proper shading and ventilation help maintain cooler temperatures during summer. These design choices reduce the size of the solar system required to power the home. Another common mistake is underestimating weather variability. Solar systems must be designed to handle multiple cloudy days in a row. Without adequate battery capacity or backup power, homes can run out of electricity. Some off-grid homeowners install small backup generators for emergencies. When designed properly, off-grid solar systems can provide reliable energy and long-term independence from rising utility costs. But successful systems require careful planning, realistic expectations, and an understanding of how energy production and storage actually work. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.